In the dynamic world of marketing, where every decision carries the potential to make or break a campaign, measuring and evaluating results is not just a task, it's an art. It's about deciphering the intricate language of data, extracting meaningful insights, and making informed decisions that drive success. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are the beacons that illuminate your path through this maze of marketing metrics. They are the quantifiable measures that reflect the true impact of your marketing efforts, allowing you to assess their effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Imagine embarking on a journey without a map or compass. You might wander aimlessly, never reaching your destination. KPIs are your map and compass in the marketing world. They provide direction, clarity, and a sense of progress. Why are KPIs so important? Think of KPIs as the fitness trackers of your marketing efforts. Just as a fitness tracker helps you monitor your progress and achieve your health goals, KPIs help you track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and achieve your business objectives. Here are some compelling reasons why KPIs are essential for marketing success. Align efforts with goals. KPIs help you align your marketing activities with your overall business objectives. By defining specific measurable KPIs, you ensure that every marketing effort contributes to achieving your desired outcomes. Imagine you're a marketing manager for an online clothing store. Your overall business objective is to increase sales. By defining KPIs like website traffic, conversion rate, and average order value, you can align your marketing efforts with this goal, ensuring that every campaign and initiative contributes to boosting sales. Track progress and performance. KPIs serve as benchmarks to track your progress over time. They allow you to monitor the effectiveness of your campaigns, identify trends, and make adjustments as needed. Picture yourself running a social media marketing campaign. You've set a KPI of increasing your social media followers by 10% each month. By tracking this KPI regularly, you can see if your campaign is on track, identify which strategies are working best, and make adjustments as necessary. Identify strengths and weaknesses. KPIs reveal the strengths and weaknesses of your marketing strategies. By analyzing KPI data, you can pinpoint areas that are performing well and those that require improvement. Let's say you're analyzing your email marketing performance. You notice that your open rate is high, but your click-through rate is low. This suggests that your email subject lines are effective in grabbing attention, but your email content needs improvement to entice people to click through. Optimize resource allocation. KPIs guide you in allocating resources wisely. By understanding the ROI, return on investment, of different marketing channels and tactics, you can make informed decisions about where to invest your time and budget. Imagine you're evaluating the effectiveness of your paid advertising campaigns. You analyze the ROI of your Google Ads and Facebook Ads campaigns. If you find that Google Ads is generating a higher ROI, you can shift more of your budget towards that channel. Demonstrate marketing value. KPIs provide tangible evidence of the value that marketing brings to the organization. They help you justify your marketing investments and secure buy-in from stakeholders. Picture yourself presenting your marketing performance to the CEO. Use KPIs to showcase the impact of your marketing efforts on website traffic, lead generation, and sales growth. This data-driven approach demonstrates the value of marketing to the organization and helps secure continued support for your initiatives. Selecting the right KPIs, a tailored approach. Not all KPIs are created equal. The specific KPIs you choose will depend on your unique business goals, marketing strategies, and target audience. Imagine you're a marketing manager for a software company. Your target audience is businesses, not consumers. So instead of focusing on KPIs like website traffic and social media engagement, you'll prioritize metrics like lead generation, website conversion rate, and sales pipeline growth. Here's a framework for selecting the right KPIs for your marketing efforts. 1. Define your goals, clearly articulate your marketing objectives. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? Increase brand awareness, lead generation, sales growth, For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness, relevant metrics might include website traffic, social media engagement, and brand mentions. 2. Identify key metrics for each goal. Identify the key metrics that reflect progress towards that goal. For brand awareness, website traffic, social media engagement, and brand mentions are all key metrics. 3. Establish targets, set specific, measurable targets for each KPI. These targets should be challenging yet achievable, providing a benchmark for success. For example, you might set a target of increasing website traffic by 15% and social media engagement by 20%. So you've launched your marketing campaigns, awesome. But how do you know if they're actually working? That's where KPIs come in, like your personal fitness tracker for marketing. They tell you if you're on the right path to achieving your goals. I think of it like this: you wouldn't just go for a run without tracking your distance or pace, right? Similarly, you wouldn't want to blindly throw money at marketing campaigns without measuring their effectiveness. Here's the key: you got to regularly check your KPIs. Imagine you're checking your fitness tracker every few days. There are cool tools like Google Data Studio, Tableau, and Power BI that can take your KPI data and turn it into easy to understand charts and graphs. These are like fancy dashboards that make it super clear what's going on. Turning data into action from insights to optimization. Once you have your KPI data, it's time to play detective. Analyze those trends and patterns. Let's say you see your website traffic dropping, that's like your fitness tracker showing a decrease in your daily steps. Time to investigate. Maybe Google changed its search algorithm, or maybe your content isn't as engaging as it used to be. Whatever the reason, by analyzing your KPIs, you can figure it out. Here's the cool part: with those insights, you can adjust your marketing strategies and optimize your campaigns. It's like using your fitness tracker data to tweak your workout routine for better results. Maybe you need to create some fresh new website content, or maybe you need to adjust your SEO strategy to rank higher in search results. Examples of tracking KPIs across different marketing channels. Website: imagine you have a hot new online shoe store. Here are some KPIs you might track. Unique visitors: this tells you how many different people visit your website in a certain time frame. Basically, how many potential customers are checking out your awesome shoes. Page views: this shows you how many pages people are looking at on your website. Are they just browsing the homepage, or are they diving deep into your product descriptions? This helps you understand how engaged they are. Bounce rate: this is the percentage of people who visit your website and then leave right away, like they just bounced off. A high bounce rate might mean your website is confusing or doesn't grab attention fast enough. Average session duration: this tells you how long people are spending on your website on average. Are they just taking a quick peek, or are they spending some quality time browsing your shoes? A longer session duration is a good sign. Conversion rate: this is the golden metric. It shows you what percentage of visitors actually take action on your website, like buying a pair of shoes or signing up for your email list. This is what truly matters for your bottom line. Social media: you're rocking Instagram with your amazing shoe photos, but how do you know if it's working? Here are some social media KPIs to consider. Follower growth: are you steadily gaining new followers? This expands your reach and lets more people discover your awesome shoe brand. Engagement rate: how many people are liking, commenting, or sharing your posts? A high engagement rate means your content is resonating with your audience. Social media reach: this shows you how many people have actually seen your social media content, not just your follower count. The more people who see your content, the better. Social media leads: did someone see your cool post about limited edition sneakers and contact you about buying a pair? Tracking social media leads helps you see if your social media efforts are generating new business. Social media ROI: this is the big kahuna. It tells you how much money you're making from your social media efforts compared to how much you're spending on it. Are you getting a good return on your investment? There are similar KPIs you can track for email marketing and paid advertising as well. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can ensure your marketing efforts are on the right track and bringing in the results you desire. additional tips for tracking and analyzing KPIs. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to see overnight success. Set achievable goals for your KPIs and gradually increase them over time. Segment your data, analyze your KPIs for different segments of your audience, such as demographics, interests, and location. This can help you identify trends and patterns that might not be apparent when looking at the overall data. Benchmark your performance, compare your KPIs to industry benchmarks to see how you're stacking up against your competitors. This can help you identify areas where you can improve. Use a A/B testing experiment with different marketing strategies and tactics to see which ones perform better. A/B testing is a great way to optimize your campaigns and improve your results. Stay up to date on trends. The marketing landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. This will help you make informed decisions about how to track and analyze your KPIs. Conclusion: the power of data-driven marketing. By effectively tracking and analyzing your KPIs, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. This information can then be used to optimize your campaigns, improve your ROI, and achieve your business goals. Remember, marketing is not about guesswork, it's about data-driven decision-making. Embrace the power of KPIs and use them to guide your marketing strategy towards success. Now go forth and conquer the marketing world with your newfound knowledge of KPIs.